kitty cat. Say hi, kitty cat. Panoramic view. Anyway, this is calm before the storm. Obviously, calm before the storm. My camera's getting wet. Holy. And I'm in the part of Canada right now that's not supposed to get a storm. It's supposed to be light rain here. So this is light rain. Gotta enjoy light rain, don't you? Anyway, got my computer set up out here. Got my kitty cat here. I think my computer's getting wet. I got my video uploading. Oh wow, my screen is soaked. Shit. Yeah, you going over there. I gotta get a cloth now. Oh, stuff flying on my computer. Kitty cat, you getting wet too. So am I. Say hi. Leave me alone. Okay, I will. Okay, I'm not cleaning up the mess outside. Gotta rethink, how can I stay dry? Actually, I don't care, I just want my computer to stay dry while I'm uploading a video. Holy cow. The wind died down a little bit, that's a good thing. I missed this weather so much. I missed the rain. I'm staying out here. No longer, doesn't matter how long I stay out here for, I'm staying out here. But I want to make it so my computer stays dry. I got those things. I'm going to try to hang those things up now. Those sublime things.